What's up, y'all? For this video we came up with a mid-century design hanging lamp. We're going to start by cutting these out on the CNC and then just routing the edges to clean them up a bit. Alright, so the sanding showed us a few imperfections that look like this. We're going to hit it with some wood filler and then just keep sanding. Drilled this little hole in the top for the cord to come through to the light. Let's go ahead and stain these. We're using a water-based stain on these. It's going to protect them well and give them a really nice finish. Always take your time when staining. The last thing you want to see is big drips after it's done drying. Alright, we're going to hang these to dry and then we're going to go back inside to get them wired up. The wiring is pretty simple on these. We just have a positive and negative wire that needs to get screwed into their corresponding leads. We're going to bend these wires into a hook just to make sure that they stay secure when we get them screwed in. We just have to screw on this outer casing and we're about done. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of this design in the comments below. We'll be making a beautiful floor lamp, so make sure you hit that subscribe button.